Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another exciting episode of Friends Ride Review. The dilemma of the car lovers, whether go for performance or for luxury. Well, you're looking for the best of both the worlds, your question is answered. Yes, you guessed it right, the all-new Audi A7 Quattro S-Tronic. Today we will be reviewing that beautiful car, which is owned by my friend Usman. And I'm sure you're going to love this episode. So let's start. So Assalamu alaikum Usman bhai, thank you so much for coming to our show. I really appreciate it. Why Audi A7? क्या decision था आपका? आपने यही गाड़ी क्यों ली? Because I know it's a very pricey car, expensive car. So what's the rationale?
Well, in Jersey, when you want to spend money and actually you want to enjoy the pass of the speed as well, then I think that German cars are always best actually, and in Germans Audi has its own class.
Absolutely.
So I looked into different options, but eventually I like this one the most.
Yes.
And I have enjoyed the German Volkswagen and Audi before as well. So that's why I thought of going for this one actually.
Excellent. You know, interestingly enough, I was looking up on the internet regarding the pros and cons of this car, and you would be surprised that other than the maintenance and this car being expensive, there is no con. So that's really a surprise.
Yeah, you are right actually.
Seriously,
the
so I'm sure
one challenging part, but so far it's been doing pretty good with me actually. Yeah, I mean it's very good car. Its maintenance has been quite controlled. There's not much issues at all so far in the car.
Excellent.
So yeah, it's been a very good.
So let's have a walk around of this beautiful car. Let me give you an overview of the features that are offered externally, the shape of the car, how it has been designed. So we'll start from the headlights themselves. If you look at the headlights of Audi, these are the most distinctive features of this car. Audi is the first company to come with full LED headlamps. So you'll see that in this car you've got the daytime running LEDs, the high beam is LED, and the low beam is LED. So not only these lights give this car a beautiful look, but the best part is that they really improve the visibility at night. Here you can see that they are the headlight cleaners. They've got the option, if you want to clean the headlights, you can press a button and it would wipe off all of the dust. This is for towing, if you want to tow your car. Beautiful chrome plating just to give this extra masculine feel to the car. Sports pattern bumper. Then comes the grille, the most beautiful feature of this car. You have got this piano finish Audi grille with chrome all over it. I think it has got more chrome than Google, right? Then you've got this beautiful front camera. Front camera helps you park the car. It also adds other safety features. We'll be talking about that. And then now let's look at the side profile of the car. Okay. Again, the side profile of the car is immaculate. It's really stable. You see a straight line going all the way all up till the end. On the side, again, you've got parking sensors. They cover the 360 aspect of the car. Coming on to the tires, these are the standard tires that come in this Audi A7. 20-inch alloy wheel rims, W-shaped, 5-spoke alloy wheels with Audi logo. Now some of the technology features, if you consider, would be that look at the windshield. The windshield itself has got the rain sensor here, so if it rains, definitely these, or even if you go to the car wash, these wipers starts on their own unless you disable that. You've got a front camera over here that basically helps in adaptive cruise control and lane assist. So these are the two features that this camera offers. Just to give you the level of complexity and technology in this car is that look at these rear view mirrors. So when you look at these rear view mirrors, they are in matching tone. They've got the indicator embedded, but they're also heated, auto dimming and auto retractable. So a lot of functionality being offered. I think it's well worth your money. Looking at the overall body, the back side of the car, you see that it's a hatchback and it has got very nice aerodynamic shape. It really goes down at the back, right? But despite being a hatchback car, this car still offers a lot of room, a lot of space. Coming to the back side of the car, the signature A7 spoiler. So this spoiler basically activates at 120 kilometers an hour and definitely gives you a much smoother and much stable ride. Now look at the back profile of the car. It's breathtaking. You have got the Audi logo, the standard A7 logo, and basically the LED turn signals. Let's look inside the trunk. So I was not expecting such a big trunk for a hatchback. You guys can see that it has got a lot of room, although it's a bit shallow for my liking, but I think it is very deep, so it still offers a lot of space. Look at the attention to details. Not only it's beautiful from outside, but even at the trunk you see that they've provided nice chrome plating, nice cloth light, basically trunk lights, so that if you're using that at night, it's available. You can further look at the spare wheel that's there. So all in all, 10 out of 10 marks for the trunk. In order to close, you just need to press this button. So there are two buttons. One would close the car as well as the trunk. The other one would just lock the car, lock the trunk. So let's go for the first one. So going under the hood, again this car has got amazing performance. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers under 5.2 seconds. It can go up to 240, 250 without an issue. So if we try to open the hood, it's very easy. You can see you can even open it with one hand. It has got two hydraulics that really help the engine go up. Nice signature cover. This not only beautifies the engine but also keeps the noise low. You see a lot of cladding in this engine bay. So that's the main engine, a 3-liter V6 engine. You see the pistons over here, the 6 pistons that are there, that produces 333 British horsepower of power and 450 Newton meter of torque. So all in all, a beautiful engine bay. Most of the things are concealed, easy to manage, and that's it. Thank you. Now let us look into the interior of this car and see if the interior is as beautiful as its exterior. I have the key in my pocket, so we just access it. So the first thing you notice is it's all in different shades of brown. Starting off with the doors, we have talked about the rimless windows. They really give this car a very different look. Then you've got this very fine Alcantara leather along with real leather and very fine plastic and wood. So it's a combination of different materials, but they all blend in very, very well. You can see that you have got the standard Windows control, plus you have got a child lock that can be controlled from the front itself, so you don't have to open the rear doors and adjust that. The mirrors can be adjusted from the driver side as well. Then you've got the trunk opener. Now let's sit into the car. Inside the car, you get a very the thing that I've noticed is very comfortable seats. They've got 9-way lumbar support seats that really are very comfortable bucket seats. So now these are the buttons that we have. This button is a start stop. Unlike most cars, this button is given over here. So as soon as you start, you get this beautiful Audi logo, and you see a plethora of information in the center console. All the things that you need get displayed. Also, this is a central screen. You can even send it in, or you can retract it based on your suitability. It's up to your discretion. The center console gives information like onboard computer. You can do the assessment of the car. Then you've got the Bluetooth, and even the maps appear on the center console. So again, you see a lot of good information is available over there. How has been the fuel consumption? It is giving us the alarm that we need to refuel. And if you're playing audio, definitely the multimedia information would be displayed here as well. It comes with a standard Audi 3-spoke steering with plush black leather. Then you've got all the steering wheel controls, the cruise control buttons, the Bluetooth buttons, and voice command buttons. So if you want to give voice commands, this car also would take care of that. As far as the central console is concerned, you have got looking into the center console of this car, it has got a lot of features. In fact, I'm myself trying to learn all of those, but just to give you a quick overview, you've got the parking brakes, electronic parking brakes, the auto hold functionality. The auto hold functionality gives you the option that if you are at a signal, right, and you release the brake, the car would hold itself unless you press the accelerator again. The car would start moving again. So that makes the car really fuel efficient, as you've got dual zone climate control, and there is AC vent at the back as well. The standard Audi multimedia. I think the models after that came with Android Auto and CarPlay. This one particular model does not have Apple. Then you've got the car option that gives you different modes: efficient mode, comfort mode, dynamic mode, and individual mode. All in all, a beautiful interior. You can see a nice sunroof, and as well as the back of the car. You can see plenty of room available at the back. We're going to put some pictures of the interior for your information. Thank you. So the best part of the video, drive of the car. Let's drive the car and see what are the distinct features, how good this car is. Interestingly, I've told you the start button is right here, so let's start. Nice and smooth start, quiet, no not much noise. You press this knob and you put the car in drive mode, and you release the brake by pressing it down. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So first things first, very good suspension of the car. You really feel as if the car is floating. Very nice feeling. You get in this car. Let's put off the hazards.
You have reached your destination area. The destination is in the direction shown.
Navigation is still active. तो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल और मज़ेदार ड्राइव लग रही है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. एंड नीड टू स्लो डाउन अ बिट ऑन द ब्रेकर्स. तो उस्मान भाई, मुझे अभी आप ज़रा इस गाड़ी के बारे में बताएं कि माशाल्लाह, हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस बीन सो फार?
Yes, experience has been very good actually, and इनके बहुत स्मूथ ड्राइव है जैसे आप भी देख रहे हो इस वक्त, और it's fuel efficient as well, and इनके it do around 10 in the inside the city itself.
Yes.
So it's a very good drive car actually.
So for our viewers, this car is based on Quattro technology. Quattro all-wheel drive is a technology that's been produced by Audi. It's their proprietary technology that basically sends the most traction to the most stable wheel. आपके वो wheel by wheel traction को monitor कर रहा होता है, और जिस wheel की सबसे ज़्यादा traction होती है उसको सबसे ज़्यादा thrust provide किया जाता है. So you see that the car is really very stable. I don't want to accelerate it because we know that this car goes from 0 to 100 kilometers in just under 5.2 seconds. So I don't need to say anything about it. It's self-evident. If you talk about the safety of the car, this is probably one of the most safe cars that I've sat in. If you look at the safety features, it comes with 9 airbags. It has got front airbags, side airbags, top airbags, and even knee airbags, which is not very common. So this is something very appealing, very nice. It has got for the children, इसके अंदर special latches मौजूद हैं to put in the baby car seats. So they have given you the best luxury that you can think of, the best performance, and it's extremely roomy. It doesn't feel, it feels like an SUV from inside. Usman bhai, really very roomy, spacious. I know that you also own a SUV, so alhamdulillah I don't think you feel much of a difference while driving this
Yeah,
car.
actually it's a very spacious car from inside. Means as it looks from outside as a hatchback, comparative to that it is very spacious from inside.
Absolutely yes. तो अभी हम एक छोटे से पैच पे इसको एक्सेलरेट करके देखेंगे and see how well it performs. Another cool feature is seeing the navigation right in front of you. Yes, it is. I can really feel कि इसका throttle response बहुत अच्छा है. Definitely for a car of this dimension, you've got 450 Newton meter of torque. That definitely speaks volumes. इसका अगर आप cluster देखें, cluster के they have given different levels, which is a very interesting thing I've not seen in any other car. It goes all the way up to 300 kilometers, which is amazing. I think depending on the country, in some countries it's limited, but I don't think here they've put any restriction. What's the top speed that you have had on this car?
So far I had it around 120, 130 actually.
Okay, excellent. I think it's very important, viewers, that you comply to the traffic rules. And again, very smooth. And the best part is it's not making a noise. It is not a noisy car that basically you don't, you know, there are a lot of cars that you put the throttle, it would create a lot of noise, but you don't get much speed. ये बहुत quietly, बहुत ज़्यादा accelerate करती है, which is the best part, I think. So what's the final verdict, Usman bhai? Would you recommend this car to others?
Yes, definitely. It's a very good car, and if you want to enjoy a luxury with the sports and a comfort, then it's a very good choice.
Absolutely. So I've also I'll be putting the pros and cons of this car, and I've researched on this car, and there are seldom any cons. The thing is that it is an expensive car. It's not a cheap car, but once you get this car, you won't regret. तो it is highly recommended, guys. I hope आज आपको हमारी एपिसोड बहुत पसंद आई होगी, और please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you and take care.